Hello students, so our next topic of probability is an event here. What is that? A set of favorable outcomes of a given sample space. So before that, we will just listen here. This term is favorable outcomes. We have learned about all the possible outcomes, that is sample space. So see here, when I say all the possible outcomes of a die, for example a die here where we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a sample space. But if the condition is given that this is said to be one type of a condition that it should turn into an odd number, that is you will get an odd number here. So what is this? It is also a set form, so we will name it as a what a, and it is in the form of set. I said it should be an odd number. So that जब मैं डिमांड कर रही हूँ odd number, वो होता है favorable outcomes. When I say even number, that is a favorable outcomes. That means you are putting one condition there. It should turn into an odd number. It should turn into an even number. Something number less than 4. That is all. So here, what is the condition I am giving here? I am telling here odd number. So what are the odd number from here? Tell me. That is 1, 3, and 5. So this is said to be an what, my dear? Event. When such condition is told to you. See here a set. This is in the form of a set here. Yes, you can, if the name is not given, you can assign your own name, any letter, alphabet. Favorable outcomes of a given sample space. Why it is said of a given sample space? See, because we are taking an odd number from the sample space only. So always, so such is that it is the reason. What is this? A is. See, it is. It means what? Event is a subset of the sample space. So always an event will be a subset to sample space here. Event is subset to sample space. Now I hope this is very clear. If again one more condition, this is the first example we have taken with this condition. If a condition is that it should turns into an even number. So again I am as an even number from where? From the sample space. So what it will be? 2, 4 and 6. Okay dear. So now what we can say? Can I say B is subset to? Yes. Yes, definitely, because an event is always subset to sample space here. So when we are saying certain condition, the outcome satisfying a particular condition, that is said to be a what? Favorable outcomes we say. Yes students, let's see practice set 5.3. So we learned about the event here. So with this we will solve this practice set 5.3. Yes, write sample space, that is S, and number of sample points, that is N of S, for each of the following experiments. Certain random experiments may be given for us. So from that we are going to find out. And also write events A, B, C in the set form. Okay, and write N of A. That means how many sample points are there in the event A, event B and event C. Yes, we can do it very easily. Let's see to the sum. One die is rolled here. Sorry, die. Okay, so die is rolled here. So when a die is rolled, what you will get the sample space? Before say we have given this 3 events here, my dear. पहला event क्या है? Even number on the upper face. See, on the upper face, definitely जब भी हम डाई को रोल करते हैं ऊपर जो आया है उसी को देखते हैं. So upper face, if you want you can ignore it just for this understanding. It's given here. Even number. Okay, we want first condition even number, second condition odd number, third condition prime number. From the way these all are a favorable outcomes we say. Event को क्या बोलते हैं? Favorable outcomes. Yes. So firstly we will write the sample space. So we have to write it. What is the sample space? What is a so here what is an experiment? One die is rolled. So we will write it here. One die is rolled. Okay, rolled we have written. Yes. Now we will we will write here? Yes, tell me. Yes, we will write it as a sample space. We always have to write it this one as a sample space, and S equals to when a die is rolled, what all we will get the outcomes here? Possible outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 here. Written in the form of a set here. Then now once we have completed this, we need to come to the first event, that is event A. First event here, right? So when we see, my dear, if the name is not given, you have to write it let the event A like this. So as we have been provided this event A, we can write it directly as it is. Event A, we need to write like this. Event A, even number on the upper face. So we are writing the event here. Yes, once we have written. Now what we have to write it in the form of set. A equals to favorable outcomes, even number. Even number kahan se? From the sample space here. So which all the even number? 2, 4 and 6. So we will write it 2, 4, 6. And they asked to write n of A also. That means number of sample points in the event A. So we will say n of A equals to 1, 2, 3. Done. So similarly we are going to do for a event B also and event C also. Now we'll go for the event B here. Event B, what is the condition given? Odd number on the upper face. So odd number on the upper face. Written? Yes. Then we will write B equals to odd number from the sample space. 1, 3, 5. So we will write 1, 3, 5. And what is n of B here? Again count it. 1, 2, 3. Completed. Let's go for the third one. Event C, prime number on the upper face. Event C, that is prime number on the upper face. So we are writing prime number. I hope you have learnt about the prime number, that which has only two factors. Okay, where all can have a two factors? See, in 1 there is only one factor. 2 you have a two factors. What is 1 2s are 2 and 2 1s are 2. So that's the reason 2. Similarly with the 3 and no 4. 4 have more than two factors. So 5. So what all the number we have? 2, 3 and 5. So we will say C equals to, okay dear, 2, 3, 5. So again what is n of C? Count it. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 sample points in the event C. I hope this is very clear. Some 2 dice are rolled simultaneously. Okay, so here we are taking it 2 dice here and rolling it. Okay, so one dice have 1, other die will have a 4. So एक में 1, दूसरे में 4, 1, 3 ऐसे करके बहुत सारे numbers आ सकते. So what all the possibilities? First we will write the sample space. Okay, so how we are doing? First we will write it. 2 dice are rolled simultaneously. Simultaneously means at the same time. Okay, एक ही समय में दोनों डाइस को डाल रहे हैं. तो we will write it S. Okay, S is sample space. You always start the sums like this only. Experiment क्या है लिखना है, फिर sample space. Then we will write S equals to. Now what is this? We have a combinations like this. Okay, so we will write it start from 1, 1. What does this 1 says? फर्स्ट डाई में 1 है और दूसरे डाई में भी 1 है. नेक्स्ट में 1, 2. हम 1 का पूरा पैर कंप्लीट करेंगे. 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5 and 1, 6. Okay, so this is still here. We cannot close the curly brackets because we have like this still more. Okay, so now we have completed all 1. Then we will start for the 2. 2, 1. Okay, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5 and 2, 6. So we have completed for the all the 2 now. Now 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5 and 3, 6. Why I am putting a comma here? Because this is for the first die and this is for the second die. Okay, so now 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5 and 4, 6. Now 5, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5 and 5, 6. So you always write it in this order. You will never miss any pair here. Okay, so see my dear, how many we got it all? 1 we have completed, 2 completed, 3, 4, 5, but still we have a 6. Okay, so 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5 and 6 6. Now we have completed. Now we will close the curly bracket. See, started here and ended here. So we have written all the, see how many it will come, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here also 6. 6 into 6, 36. You got how much sample points here? N of S is 36. If you write it in this order, you will never miss it. Okay, let's go for the event here. Event A, sum of the digits on the upper face. See, sum. Sum means what? Total or addition of the digits on the upper face is a multiple of 6. That means it should be divisible by 6 table like. Okay, let's see it. दोनों को ऐड करना है, दोनों नंबर को ऐड करना है और ऐड करने के बाद वो क्या 6 का मल्टीपल्स निकलना चाहिए. मतलब क्या है, 1 + 1 2, तो 2 तो 6 टेबल में नहीं जा रहा है. लाइक दिस. सो वी विल सी हियर 1 + 5. 1 + 5 इज 6. तो 6 1s are 6 करके निकल रहा है. सो वी हैव 1 5. Okay, what else we can have? 2 4. 2 + 4 6. Sum means addition. ऐड करके देखना है, ऐड करने के बाद वो 6 टेबल में निकलना चाहिए, वो वैसा वैल्यू नंबर रहना चाहिए. 2 + 4 6. लेकिन 2 + 6 8, वो तो 6 टेबल में नहीं आ रहा है. तो हमें अभी तक क्या क्या आया है? वी विल राइट इट फर्स्टली. ओके, इवेंट ए. I write it here, event A. You have to write all again. Sum of the digits on the upper face. So we said 1 + 5 6 addition karke. So we got here A equals to 1 5. Okay, that is 1. And then we said 2 + 4 6. So we got 2 4. Then 3 + 3 6. Again we have this one. Okay. Then 3 + 4 7. No. 3 + 6 9. 9 won't come in 6 table. Again 4 + 2 6. Okay, no. 4 4 8. 4 5 9. No. 5 1 6. Okay, 5 comma 1 6. Then 5 3 5 4 5 6. 5 and 6 11. No. Then 6 1 7. No. Can anyone guess what it will come? 6 6. Yes, 6 + 6 is 12. And 12 is a multiple of 6. So we will take it 6 comma 6 here. How many sample points we got? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So N of A is 6 here. So can we proceed for the next event? Next event B is sum of the digits. Again sum, addition of the digits on the upper face is minimum 10. Upper face, again I'll tell you, always we consider on the upper face. So you ignore this one. Sum of the digits should be minimum 10. Minimum 10 मतलब क्या है? कम से कम 10. यानी 10 से ज़्यादा रहेगा तो भी चलेगा. So 10 से ज़्यादा भी लेना है. 10 10 and more than 10 we have to take it, addition of, okay, numbers. So see here where we will get here 1 + 6 7 आ रहा है. Final बड़ा number ही 1 + 6 7. We want minimum 10. 2 + 6 8. 3 + 6 9. 4 + 6 10 we are getting, because before this all are a small number. 4 + 5 9. Okay, so 4 + 6 you will get 4 comma 6. So we will write it B equals to 4 comma 6. 4 + 6 is 10. So what else you can have? 5 5. 5 + 5 10. And 5 6 also they said minimum 10. So we can take 5 6, that is 11 also. So 5 comma 5 and 5 comma 6. So we have done this one. So next one where we have 6 4 10, 6 5 11, 6 6 12. So we all the three we will write it 6 comma 4, 6 comma 5 and 6 comma 6. See, if you understand the condition properly, then it is very easy to solve it. They said minimum 10. Minimum means 10 or more than 10. So we have picked up all the thing. So how many sample points we have here? N of B equals to 6 here. Right? We'll move to the next one. So event C, what does it say? Same digit on both the upper face. Same digit. Same digit hona chahiye. How? What does this mean? 1 1 same digit. Then 2 2 same digit. 3 3, 4 4, 5 5, 6 6. This is said to be a same digit. So we will write it here 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 5 comma 5, 6 comma 6. So we got how many sample points here? N of C equals to 6 here. Clear, my dear?